method of testing that we're gonna use here is Facebook search. Now, that sounds really simple, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about the Facebook search, but if you actually look up terms like this on Facebook, like get yours now, shop now, get it here, free shipping, shipping worldwide, stuff like that. Of course, you could come up with some of your own that could actually work just as well. You will find a lot of different videos and pictures that are doing amazing. Now, guys, a quick golden nugget here that I want to tell you. Sometimes, between you and me, images can work pretty well when it comes to certain products, especially if you can't actually make a really good quality video. Just throwing that out there. I do still prefer videos, of course, but that's definitely an option sometimes if you can't get a good video done. And before I show you some of these products that I've personally found, I do want to give you the second method, which is the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. If you guys still don't know about the Dropshipping Center, man, where have you been? Because it's actually insane. Like, if you go to your AliExpress account and then you go to My AliExpress and then you go right here to Dropshipping Center, it'll take you to this particular page. And in this page, you actually get a lot of solid product ideas, especially if you have like a niche store or something, or any type of store really for that matter. You could actually really dive deep into any of these categories or just browse around like this and get some really solid product ideas. But anyways, what you're gonna do is find 3 to 5 products that you find really interesting and that of course meet this criteria right here. Now, the criteria is that the product solves a problem, that it is unique and has a wow factor, which usually means that it's not easily found in stores, and that it has a high perceived value. So make sure that it doesn't look extremely cheap, otherwise nobody's gonna buy it. And here's some 2 that I don't often hear a lot of people mention, but these are actually very crucial in terms of finding a winner first try. Low quality competitors and a good Google Trends chart. Now, the Google Trends chart is not extremely crucial, and same with the product solving a problem. I have had winners in the past that don't really solve any problems, but they meet all the other criteria. That's one thing, you'll never find a winning product that doesn't meet at least 2 or 3 of these criteria points. And I know you're probably thinking, low quality competitors, like how do I know about the competitors, you know? And here's exactly how. Let me show you the first product that I found. Now, the first product that I found is this one right here, this portable vacuum ear cleaner. Now, of course, you have to be careful with these sort of products because if you do show a lot of before and after effects in your ad, Facebook may disapprove that. So just make sure you read up on Facebook's policy so that you create a video that follows their policy. But the way that I actually found this product, like I said, is through Facebook search. And here is exactly what I mean when I say low quality competitors. This is the video that I found. It's 2 months old and it has 4 million views, guys. That means that these people are doing multi-6 figures with this particular video alone. And let me just show you the quality of this video. Look at this, guys. Look at this video. Like, I cannot believe that this video has 4 million views. This video is terrible, and I love seeing this. When I see a video that is popping off like this with 4 million views in only 2 months, and the video is this low of quality, that's what gets me excited because that's how I know I'm onto something. And actually, if we follow along on this store, you'll see that their store is actually not that great either. I mean, We Go, like that's such a weird name for a store. Now, their product page is really nice. I will say that. I do like their product page. Now, I don't like that they have all these different colors. I just think it looks very spammy and not very professional. I would have just gone with this blue color instead and just really use that color most of the time rather than all these different like rainbow colors basically. But besides that, this product page is quite nice, and like I said, they're definitely making a lot of money with this. So we check that it has a low quality competitor. Now we go onto Google Trends and we verify the search data. And here's the thing, guys, I do like to do this in worldwide so that I can actually get some extra countries to target within my ad sets that I will test this with. Because as you can see, most of the people that for the ear cleaner search term, the United Kingdom is actually the top dog when it comes to it, which is kind of crazy. I would have expected it to be the United States, but United Kingdom, I guess they got a lot of earwax going on. But as you can see, this has a really healthy chart, especially in the past 12 months. And if we look back even in the past 5 years, you'll see that this is actually extremely consistent. And even though you can't tell that well, it's consistently growing as people get older and older, and not even just older people. I mean, everybody needs their ears cleaned. So this is why this is a really solid product product to test. Now, and like I said, this product meets basically all of these criteria, and this is exactly why I personally picked it. Now, let's look at the second product here. The second product is this Wi-Fi repeater. Now, this one in particular has a ton of orders. I did find another supplier that has a little bit less orders, but yeah, which means that it is a little bit exposed, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, right? This means that it does sell, and you know, you could actually use some of the feedback that people give to make a better product description than your competitors. Now let me show you the video that I found this on. Now, this is from a month ago, 350,000 views. That doesn't necessarily make it like a massive winner, but here's the thing. The competition is absolutely trash, no offense. If this is your product and video, I'm really sorry, man. You gotta start watching some of my videos because this is a little bit bad. I mean, honestly, let me turn off the music. Honestly, this is a lot better than the previous video, I will say that, but it's still not that good. Like, I really don't like this video. It does get a lot better in the second half of the video, but the very beginning is not very eye-catching, and that's why I don't like it. So I'm 100% sure that you can make a much better video on your own. Their product page is actually not that bad either, and this is probably why they're mildly succeeding with this product and still doing pretty good. But I will say that I still find it looks a little bit spammy. I like the button, and I like how clean this looks, but I really don't like the countdown timer. I'm not a huge fan of this big checkout thing. You know, like I honestly would just get rid of all this stuff right here and just make this question just down here in bold instead. I think that would look so much cleaner and it would make the website look a lot more professional. But besides that, they're actually doing a pretty decent job. And like I said, they're still scaling this product a little bit, so I can't really say that they're completely failing at this, but I know that there is a lot of things that they could improve. So the competition is okay, but you could definitely sneak in there and completely steal this product away from them. And let's look up Wi-Fi extender. If we actually look in the US alone, it's actually pretty popular of a search term, and if we look worldwide, we'll actually see that it's very consistent as well. It's similar to the other product, right? Like, there's a lot of demand for it consistently, and as you can see, there's a lot of other countries besides the US that are really looking for something like this, such as New Zealand, United Kingdom, Australia. These are all really good countries to target. Now another thing that I really love about Google Trends is the related topics and related queries, because sometimes you can actually get really good ideas for products to test from these. So just keep that in mind. Just a little extra gold nugget for you guys that I thought I'd drop in there. Now, I only have 2 more products for you, so make sure you hang in here. I know it's getting a little bit long, but trust me, this is the stuff you need to hear in order to find winning products more effectively. And one thing that I want to clear up super quick, the reason why I think you should find 3 to 5 products from the start so that you can do further research and really determine which one you should go with right away. I don't think that you should test all of these products at the same time. Do one at a time, you know? Create a one product store for the time being.
Hey everyone, Gabriel here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you a Facebook ad spy tool that I just recently found out about, and that is super powerful for seeing what's working right now within the dropshipping space, and also for finding your competitors and seeing what's working for them. So I'm just going to get right into it. So the tool is called Ad Swiper, and I'm going to have the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's a completely free app, and I'm just sharing it with you guys because I think it's super valuable and it can really help you out. So how it works is that they have a Chrome extension that they want you to install, and you can just click here and install it. I haven't done that yet, but I probably should because it's what fuels the whole ecosystem. So basically how it works is that they get you to install their Chrome extension, and then once you start scrolling on your Facebook feed, it's going to save all the ads that you're being shown. It's going to swipe them, and then it's going to save them to here, to this section, my most recent ads. And so I would have all the ads that I've been shown on my newsfeed here lately if I had the Chrome extension installed. And then what happens is that all these ads, they get added to their database. So everyone who's using the Ad Swiper extension, all the ads that they're being shown gets added to their database. And so you can search through that database to find ads. So this is super powerful, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to find some dropshipping ads. So if you go to the search all ads section, this is where you can see all the ads that are being saved by Ad Swiper. And so if we just scroll, you'll see that there's a bunch of ads. And so by default, this is already super powerful, right? You can keep scrolling until you find dropshipping stores. So like this one right here, I need this now, Universal Emergency Car Kit. So this is a dropshipping store, and you can see it got 2.8 million views, a lot of engagement, so it's doing well. But right now it's not only dropshipping ads. Like we're getting, like this is Product List Genie, this is a software ad, this is a Philips ad, so not dropshipping. hair straightener. So a lot of these are and a lot of these aren't dropshipping ads, but you can refine this more and actually get a better selection of ads. So if we go to button type, this is the first thing that I like to narrow by. If you go to button type and then shop now, then you're only going to get e-commerce ads most likely. So right away we get different ads, and you can see that this is clearly a dropshipping store. And then you get all the stats for the ads right here. So this one only has 97,000 views, so it's not that impressive. So you can keep scrolling until you find some ads that have, you know, more views, more engagement. So like this one looks interesting. You could look into this. Photon mask. This one looks cool, but not that many views. 250,000 views. So, you know, right now you're getting a bunch of dropshipping ads, but none of these are really that successful. They don't have that many views. This one has a lot of views. This is BlendJet. And so, you know, that's interesting. And once you find an ad, you can click on it and it's going to take you to the post, and you can actually look into it more. You can look at the comments. You can see what people are saying. And so, so this is how it works. That's the general idea, but you can really filter this down more to find ads that have a lot of views and that you can get inspiration from. So this is just the search all ads section. Now the first thing you can do is you can search keywords. There's a lot of keywords that you'll find in dropshipping ads. And so you can search those keywords and see if you can find more ads that way. So for example, get yours. That's something that you see a lot in dropshipping captions, right? So get yours. So right here we found another one. So this one, now we get a different selection of ads, right? So you can really search for a long time and you're going to see all these different ads that people are running. So this one, an everyday carry bag where style meets functionality. And this one looks great. They've got nice ad copy. They've got 4.7 million views. It looks like it's doing pretty well for them.
I want to go see how many views it has. So the video just popped up here. And side note, if a video has about 3 million views, that's definitely 6 figures plus. And so as you can see right here, this video has nearly 6 million views. 6 million views. And they're still running it to this date. And they started running it 10 months ago. That means they've been making money on this product for 10 months, making them bands. And so that's perfect. And so the next thing that I would do is I would go to their website, I would look at the product, and then I'll find it on AliExpress. But I'm not just going to talk about it. Let's do it. So their ad copy is super long. I wouldn't have my ad copy like this. It's kind of ghetto. But let's go to that winning product on their website. Interesting. It looks like they made a funnel for this since it was working so well. And so now, do you have to do a funnel to make a product successful? No, you don't. But sometimes if you have a product that's working well and you want to see it work better, you could try split testing a funnel, but a lot of times it's not even worth the effort. So great. What I came to the website for was to figure out what it is. And so I see that it's an invisible halo hair extension. And so now I'm going to go to AliExpress and see what's up. So let's search invisible hair extension. All right, just pulled this up. Now let's sort it by orders. That's how I like to do things. And freak yeah. So this is the product that they're selling right now. And it looks like it's $3.99. Oh my gosh, this thing ships from USPS. That is awesome. That means your customers are going to get the product ASAP. And so this product has 27,000 orders. Do not let that scare you. There is no such thing as product saturation. If you are good enough, you can sell it. Hence why these guys have been running it for 10 months and they're still selling it. And so another thing you can do to go another level deeper to see if the product is actually selling is you can click on the orders here and you can see how many have sold today. For me, it's the 28th. And so all of these have been sold 28 September, 28 September, 28 September. And so all of these have sold today. So overall, we've just reverse engineered a product to see that it is working. So instead of just going into AliExpress and finding some random ass product and thinking, oh yeah, let's try to sell this. Let's make a video ad. Let's do all this. Nah, that's too complicated. We've found a product that is working for someone else. We found the video. We found the ad copy that is getting millions of views. And we've also found the product on AliExpress, which is something that you probably would have never thought of looking up before. Would have never thought of looking up some hair extensions. Like, that's crazy. But here we are. Now we have a winning funnel that we could use, and there we go. And so we looked up the push-up bra on Google, and so I want to look up the ab stimulator, and we can go find another one and go through the exact process again so you get a full understanding of what I'm doing. All right, we got the ab stimulator here, so let's look it up. Abs stimulator plus Shopify. All right, let's go to this first one here.
Yo guys, this dude is ripped.
Okay, and like I said, we're looking for the Facebook page. Looks like they have theirs linked down here. Nice. Their website is called Gear Rangers, but their Facebook page is Gadget Magic. Ooh. And so let's go to their info and ads. And okay, so this is another one that doesn't have any active ads. So like I said, we're gonna like them and go from there. And so it looks like the second website here is Beauty Trends, one that we just looked at whenever we looked at push-up bra. And so that means this website is popping. So it's definitely one to keep your eye on. Let's go to another one. Okay, let's find the Facebook page right down here. Perfect. Let's go to their info and ads. And another one that's not running ads. Hey, that's a part of the process. Just keep going. All right, let's go to another one down here. And by now you should start to get a hang of the process. So find the store and let's go to their Facebook page. And sometimes they won't have it linked down here, so you'll just go to Facebook and type it in yourself. So let's go to their Facebook page. As always, we're gonna like the page and then we're gonna jump to their info and ads. All right, now let's scroll down and okay, so these guys are running ads. And okay, so the first thing I want you to notice, we don't even know what the product is yet, but look at this thumbnail. This is exactly the type of thumbnail you want to use. You want to put these little emojis in there, these arrows. You want to make it pop so it stands out on the news feed. Now their ad copy is great. This is the exact ad copy I use. I like it very simple. I like to use 2 links. This is perfect. And it looks like it's a tool to remove scratches from your car. So let's watch a little bit of this video and see what's up. Like I said, copy video URL and paste it to look at the views and see what's going on. Scratch eraser. Dang, that's actually pretty legit. This is a really good video. It shows what's going on. It fixes pain points. It's telling people they're going to save money. So the video itself is awesome. And so now we know what the product is. And oh, look, nearly 2 million videos in a month. They're killing it. They're killing it. And so boom, we've got a video that works. And so let's go to their website and see what's up. Sweet. So their website is pretty basic. They're using I don't know what the theme is, but I know this is a basic free theme. So that just goes to show that you don't need any expensive themes to be successful. And they're even using the same basic colors. Like, come on. All right, let's go to the next step. Let's find an alley. Bling blang. If I can't find it, they're not gonna be able to, bro. Looked up car scratch. So I just looked up car scratch remover and I sorted it by orders. Now I don't know exactly what the product is. It might be this rag thing, but I don't know. Either way, they don't really have any good descriptive pictures on there. Oh well. But I looked up car scratch remover and the first one here, dang, this is cheap. $1.77 for shipping and 90 cents on the product. It has 19,000 orders. That is a great thing. Do not let that scare you. The products that I'm killing it with right now have over 10,000 orders. Like I said, we can click the product and we can check out if it's selling today. And so we want to click the orders here. And so 28, 27 as well. So it's selling today. So it's got a lot of orders, which means people.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
So it's got a lot of orders, which is great. It's selling today. And the most important thing is that it solves a problem. And so that's a lot easier to market a product that solves a problem. And so we've got the product here. We've got a good product description and we've got a good video that we can use. We've also got the ad copy. And so you've got a full funnel that you can use. Like Pablo Picasso said, good artists copy, but great artists steal. The easiest business model is replication. So what I do is I replicate something, but I make it a little bit better. So I might make my thumbnail better, or I might make my ad copy better, or I might make my product description better, or I might just tweak it a little bit in every step of the funnel just to beat my competition. And that's exactly what I suggest you do. So yes, go out there and do this strategy and find products that are working for other people and replicate it, but you need to go a step further to get ahead of your competition because you want a bigger piece of the pie. And so that's it, guys. That's my strategy. And you don't just have to look up saturated products. Like we could literally look up this product right here, the Magic Car Scratch Eraser or whatever, and we could look that up plus Shopify.
The thing we can do to validate if the product is trending, we can go to Google Trends. So just Google in Google Trends and click here. Then what we can do is type in the product name, and then in the United States, we'll look at the past 12 months, we can see if the product's trending. So that USB heated vest is on a downward trend now, so it looks like the product has reached its peak, but what you ideally want to do is you want to try and catch the trend. So if you started promoting this product around here, right, you do really well. If a product's trending, there's heaps of like word of mouth referrals that are going around. And when word spreads, heaps of people want to buy it. So the conversion rate would be higher around here when it's trending. So yeah, ideally what you want to do is try and catch this trend and have your own video ad creative. And then that's when your window can really take off. All right, so I hope you got some value out of that. I'm going to try and push out 2 videos a week. That's why this YouTube video is a bit short. But yeah, if you liked it, definitely drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I put out new videos and new value. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.